guys, this coming Sunday is Hope in the Park, where we get to come here to Hickman Park to inspire people to bring hope back to our community in Bilston, and we cannot wait for it. We're going to have bouncy castles, we're going to have live music, but guys, remember to bring your picnic, okay? Go to Greggs, grab a meal deal, bring it here, and let's have a wonderful time together. And if you are free and you're able to lend a hand volunteering, we need people to man the bouncy castles, okay? These kids can be crazy, so we need a lot of volunteers to man the bouncy castles. Maybe if you're gifted in face painting as well, if you want to do that. But guys, it's going to be a wonderful time of outreach to reach our community with the best news ever, that we have the hope of the world right in our hearts to share with everyone. So why not come along for Hope in the Park? We'll see you there at 12 noon.
Slow down, running around with that broken heart. You might slip and fall into my arms.
Our baptismal service is coming up on the 1st of July, which is pretty soon. So if you're interested in getting baptised and taking that next step as a follower of Jesus, then why not have a conversation, speak to one of the leaders on our team for more information about this, so that you can come to our service on the 1st of July and get baptised. Would you say you're a leader? Or are you serving at Excel Church in a leadership capacity? Well, you should join us on the 29th of June, it's a Wednesday night, for our next leadership development night, and we're going to be joined by the guest Danny Murphy, who's going to be coming and speaking to us. So if you're a leader, an aspiring leader, you're already leading or you want to lead, listen, come along. It's a night for leaders. We can get together and learn together from the Bible. So join us for that evening on the 29th of June from 7:30. This week is prayer and Bible study, so make sure that you come here at 7:30 to church on Wednesday for that time together as church. And that's all for Excel News. So guys, make sure you have a wonderful week, and we'll see you next week at Hope in the Park. P.S. There's no services at church next week because, of course, we've got Hope in the Park, so we'll see you there. Not at Excel Church, okay? See ya.